Calcium deposits inside the truck mount, otherwise known as hard water deposits, can cause a significant reduction in heat performance by blocking the internal surfaces of the heat exchanger, preventing heat transfer into the solution or the water that's going through. So we highly recommend you descale the machine on a regular basis, which will vary depending on how hard the water is that you're using. So to descale the machine, we recommend using the TM descaler that we provide. We found it to work very well with our heat exchangers, with the fittings, so you don't have any sticking valves or any low flow through the fittings. Put the recommended amount of descaler inside the water box. Put the recommended amount of water with the descaler in the water box. You will take your recirculating hose, connect it to your water inlet, similar to your freeze guard procedure, and to your solution outlet, again similar to your freeze guard procedure. This will allow the descaler to flow through the system back into the machine so you can get a good circulation and proper descaling of all the components. Make sure your pump is off, your speed set at idle. Go ahead and start your truck mount. With the truck mount on for about a minute or two so you can get it warmed up, you can set your speed to mid, and then you can turn your pump clutch back on. This will circulate the fluid, continues to circulate, goes back into your water box. After about 3 to 5 minutes, go ahead and shut the pump clutch off. You can disconnect your recirculating hose. You can connect, we recommend, instead of using your tool, that you acquire a male fitting with just a regular hose attached to it with the other end being open. This allows you to drain all the fluid out. So you're going to fill your water box with water to try and flush the system. We have a screen/filter in place that will catch most of the heavy deposits, but for the smaller deposits, to get that out, that's where you would connect this open-ended hose to your solution outlet. Once you connect it, run the water through for about 1 water box full should be able to flush the system. With that empty, you can go ahead and make sure your pump clutch is on so you're pumping fluid out, by the way. But once you've flushed the system, you can go ahead and switch the pump clutch off. You can turn the machine to idle, and you can switch the machine off. Once you're done flushing the system, be sure to go back and check this screen or filter. Use a wrench or a ratchet with a socket, take the bolt out, and the screen filter comes out with it. With the screen filter out, just empty it, wash it off, put it back, tighten, make sure you have no leaks when you're done. And your machine should already be off, so all you need to do is disconnect, and your descaling is complete.